Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to deploy shared printer through group policy on domain client machine. This is our computer name, server. This is our domain name stb.local. Our Ethernet 0 IP address is 172.16.0.1. Let's minimize server manager. I have already installed printer on server, now I am going to check printer is sharing or not. Go to control panel. Type printer in search bar. Click devices and printer. As you can see, our printer is installed IBM Graphic 9 pin. Go to printer properties. Click on sharing tab. Now our printer is already sharing. Our printer sharing name is IBM 9-pin printer. Click OK. Let's close this console. Now I am going to create security group. Go to Server Manager. Click Tools. Click Active Directory Users and Computers. Let's maximize it. Expand domain name. Click Built-in. Right-click on Built-in. Click New and click Group. Type group name, in my case my group name is Shared Printer. Our group is Global Security Group. Click OK. Now, I am going to create new organizational unit. Right-click on domain name, select New, select Organizational Unit. Type OU name. Our OU name is HR. Click OK. Now create a new user under this OU. Fill username. Example Sunil. Fill user logon name. Click Next. Fill password. Fill confirm password. Click Next, click Finish. Our user is created. Now I am going to add Sunil user in shared printer group membership. Let's double click on shared printer. Click Member tab. Click Add. Type Sunil user. Click Check Name. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Let's close ADUC. Go to Group Policy Management. Click Tools. Click Group Policy Management. Let's maximize it. Expand Forest. Expand Domains. Expand Domain Name. Right-click on HROU. Select Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Type policy name, in my case, my policy name is Printers. Click OK. Right-click and edit policy. Let's maximize it. Expand Preferences, under User Configuration. Expand Control Panel Settings. Select Printers. Right-click Printers, click on Shared Printer. I'm installing printers from a domain server, you can use TCP/IP or a local printer. My printer domain server name is server and the printer share name is IBM 9-pin printer. So the share path will be // server / IBM 9-pin printer. Click on Common. Check the box Run in Logged On User's Security Context, User Policy option. Select Item Level Targeting and click the Targeting button. Click the New Item arrow. Select Security Group. Click Browse. Click Advanced. Click Find Now. Find the Shared Printer group. Select Shared Printer group. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Let's close Group Policy Management Editor. Close Group Policy Management Console. Go to Run. Type GP Update. Press Enter. Now policy is updated. Go to Client Machine. Update the group policy on Client Machine. After update policy, sign out the user. Log on as domain user Sunil. After log on, go to Control Panel. Type Control, then press Enter. Type Printer in search bar. Click Devices and Printer. As you can see, our shared printer is installed successfully through Group Policy. Let's close Devices and Printer console. So, viewers, in this video, you can learn how to deploy shared printer on client machine through Group Policy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.